Hi everyone, we're just on the jetty, looking towards Britannia Pier. Quite a cloudy, cold, windy morning. Here's the Marina Centre. The amusements down there. Just gonna scroll around. There's the big wheel. And Wellington Pier, should I say, in the distance, and that's the Winter Gardens. Still waiting for the renovations to start there. The new Marina Centre. We'll go back onto the seafront. Years ago, you probably can remember there used to be a webcam about here, which was actually on the side of that building. And when I had my actual website, which I don't have anymore, I used to have the camera on my website. Not sure if anyone can remember that, but we're going back probably 15-20 years now. that building just there, which is the Tourist Information Centre. It's disused now. Anyone been in the new Marina Centre? What's it like? If you have, leave a message in the comments. And which is your favourite amusement arcade? You can always leave a message in the comments, let us know, tell us why. That's about it for this one. Thanks for watching. More to come soon.